What if you could force an AI to think like a master architect? Most engineers struggle with unpredictable neural noise, where tiny geometric errors ruin otherwise brilliant designs. Messy geometry, broken topology, and non-manifold edges can completely destroy engineering accuracy before production even begins. But one hidden interface forces every surface into perfect geometric alignment with engineering precision. It creates the missing bridge between creative AI generation and the precision required by professional CAD workflows. Let's explore the hidden tool every model engineer should be using right now. Is this the missing piece that's been holding AI engineering back? In the next video, we'll open the hidden interface and show you exactly you don't want to miss what's coming next.